this is Blue Skyver. We are the 1st of June, a new month started, and I'm having the first sortie with my drones today. I went over the lake shore right next to the Lord Reading Yachting Club over the grassy pier, and brought with me the DJI Avata 360 as well as the Mini 5 Pro. And my friend John has his first sail of the season today, and he will be passing not very far from the shore. We are going to be meeting, and I'm going to track his sailboat. So after getting at the grassy pier, I took off with the DJI Avata 360 from a picnic table and sent it over the river. After a while I saw his boat and I started tracking it. It's really fun. This is the first time I'm flying the Avata 360 tracking a sailing boat, and after a while the battery was exhausting, and brought it back and landed it on the picnic table. I wanted to take off with the Mini 5 Pro immediately to continue tracking, but unfortunately I had to update the software. I didn't know about it and preferred to update it because I'm flying over water, and so I did, and I took off, but John had already arrived at the marina, and once I was there I saw him undocking from the boat. Then I continued flying back along the shore and landed it on the picnic table. I met a fellow flyer, his name is Anthony, which just got his Avata 360, and he was trying to fly over water, and we had a good talk. And so I'm going to upload this footage. I hope you're going to like it, and if you do, please don't forget to thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe, you're very welcome. Thank you very much for watching my channel, and remember, this is another beautiful day to fly.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. 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 Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.